Amber alert. Wolfie, turn it up.
The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida at 1:36 p.m. on August 14, 2020, effective until 3:36 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for an unknown white or Hispanic female, approximately 16 years old, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 135 pounds, brown hair, last seen in the 3200 block of South Goldenrod Road in Orlando, Florida, wearing a red baggy t-shirt with dark pants. The child may be in the company of an unknown white Hispanic male, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 150 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, who was last seen wearing a white t-shirt with dark pants. They may be traveling in a 2004 gray Toyota RAV4, Florida tag number 504RX. The rear passenger window is broken. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Orange County Sheriff's Office at 866-858-7233 or 911-Flamber.